Hello everyone, Chiles Solar here at my latest solar installation. My crew just left and you're looking at the finished product. We're here in beautiful Greer, South Carolina with another happy homeowner who's saving money and saving the earth. Interesting fact about this homeowner, he had previously spoken with a solar sales rep for another company, and he had been denied, saying that he did not qualify to have his home converted over to solar. After speaking with this homeowner, I helped him to understand that he did qualify for solar and let him know that I could have his home converted to solar energy within 60 days. So I helped him through the process of applying for a net metering program with his local utility. And today, the conversion of his home to solar energy has been complete. I just want to tell you all, it is so very important who you consult with to convert your home to green energy. Remember, the best way to go solar is with a trusted consultant. And that's who we are here at Chiles Solar. Remember, to get your solar, Chiles Solar. Book now at chilessolar.com. Thank you.
To get your solar, Chiles Solar. To get your solar, Chiles Solar. To get your solar, Chiles Solar. To get your solar.